Good day everyone, my name is John. My YouTube channel is JohnNeell Optic. On this tutorial I'm going to show you on how to remove background from picture. And before we start, remember to subscribe to our channel and click on notification bell for more new videos from us. The first thing is we need to search for picture you want to use for this tutorial. Let's search for picture. Let's go to google.com and look for a picture you want to use. Let's search for picture we want to use. Artist. Let's use an artist picture. For an artist, a picture I want to use. Okay, let's make use of this. Let's search for small picture. This is very big picture. Okay, let's make use of this. Want to remove the background, white background. Want to remove it. So the next thing to do is let's download this picture. Let's download this picture. Let's click on save as. Download this picture. This picture has been downloaded. The next thing to do is go to Google again and search for google.com and search for remove background. From picture online. You can see, and click on the first link, remove background from image. Click on it. After clicking on it, you can see here is the page. The next thing to do is drag the picture. Here is the picture. Drag this picture on the page. Just drag it on the page. Drop image anywhere. You can see, wow, we have removed the background from the image. We have removed the background, the background from the image. You can see we have removed it. The next thing is click on download to download the image. The image has been downloaded. Here is the image. Hope you learn from this channel. Remember to click on notification bell and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.